What's up, guys? Thanks for watching. Today I'm doing pancakes, and I just turned on the oven. I washed my hands, and I have some butter right there, as you can see. And so I am warming up the butter.
I am the king of the pancakes.
Okay, the butter is done, and now I am going to get the pancake mix. I'm going to get the pancake mix. I'm going to pour it in here. That's good. Here's the pancake mix. And now you need to add a little bit of water. Well, maybe a lot of water because I'm making a big pancake. Now you need to get a spatula, and now you are gonna stir it. And I'll be right back. See you guys later. Okay, now I am done with the pancake mix. I will put this in here, and a little bit of a mess, but you need a little cup. And now you are going to carefully put it, I am going to carefully put it on the skillet. I'll put a little more. Okay. Now I'm going to put this in the sink too. Okay, now I will be back when my pancake is done. We'll see you guys in a little bit. Okay, now the pancake is done, and now I flipped it a little couple minutes ago. Flipped it. I'll wait right there, and we'll get. Okay, I got one paper plate, whatever. Okay, I got a paper plate, and now I'm gonna put this on here. I am done. Here is my pancake. Oh, fix that later, but here is my pancake. Comment down below what you guys think of my pancake, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Well, maybe today again, but bye.